6 rules to help make your teen driver safer. With deaths on the upswing, it's important that parents implement safety rules for their teen drivers. Try enforcing these 6 rules on your teen to keep them safe behind the wheel all year long. 6 behind the wheel teen safety tips. Teenage drivers have a lot on their minds. Don't let your teen become a distracted driving death. There were 3,142 in 2020 alone. Next to distracted driving, speeding is the second biggest issue that teen drivers face. If you have a son, they are more likely to speed than a teenage daughter. Teach your teens to obey the speed limit and be a good role model while you are behind the wheel yourself. There is a reason why many states have license restrictions about who teenage drivers can have in their cars with them. Most states only allow newer drivers to drive with a family member or, at best, a single friend. The reason behind this is that having a car filled with other teenagers is just asking for distractions. Even if your state allows your teen driver to have multiple passengers, set a passenger limit for their own safety. Just remind your teen that they should always make sure to buckle their seatbelt before they start their car. If a lapse of focus occurs in a teen while behind the wheel, the results could be deadly. Teach your teen to pull over immediately if they experience symptoms of drowsy driving like frequent yawning, eyes starting to close, or drifting between lanes. Teens should never get behind the wheel with any alcohol in their system. Not only is it illegal to drink at their age, but their minimal driving experience combined with alcohol is a deadly equation. Keep your teen's focus on the road. Try implementing these 6 simple rules on your teen to make them safer behind the wheel. They'll learn many additional ways to stay safe behind the wheel, all from the convenience of their phone or laptop.